Welcome back to Channel Global. In our last video, we explored China's fascinating city tiers, and the response was really incredible. Thank you so much. If you haven't seen it yet, the link is right here. Today, let's dive deeper into some even more intriguing aspects. I'm going to introduce you to China's hidden champion cities. The names might not be familiar or even widely recognized in China, but these small cities are quietly powering the global markets. Imagine the fireworks lighting up New York's skyline, wigs gracing fashion runways in Paris, or glasses reflecting Tokyo's vibrant neon signs, all crafted in these Chinese cities. Curious about how these places become global leaders in niche industries? Stick around for the next few minutes to uncover their stories. So let's get started with Liuyang, the city that lights up the world, literally with its fireworks. When fireworks sparkle in skies around the globe, 60% originate from Liuyang in Hunan province. This city generates annual exports worth an amazing $9 billion, growing nearly 25% each year, with a history dating back to Asian dynasties. Liuyang transformed humble workshops into a global green manufacturing hub. Their innovative, eco-friendly fireworks use biodegradable materials, revolutionizing the industry worldwide. The tradition of fireworks here dates back over 1,400 years, and even Asian emperors once admired Liuyang's spectacular displays. Today, the city balances Asian artistry with the cutting-edge safety standards. Interestingly, every 10th resident in Liuyang works in fireworks, carefully crafting the spectacular displays we all enjoy. So next time you watch fireworks, think of Liuyang. Chances are you are enjoying their handiwork. Next up, we have Xuchang, where the world's most stylish wigs are made. Xuchang in Henan province produces an incredible 60% of all wigs globally, exporting over 400 million hair-related products every year. It dominates wig markets in Africa, Europe, and the US. Wig making here dates back to Ming Dynasty performances, evolving dramatically into today's sophisticated industry. Next to Xuchang's high-speed rail station sits the famous Wig Street. Third-generation wig makers here blend traditional craftsmanship with advanced AI and eco-friendly materials, creating both synthetic hair that looks just like real hair and high-end wigs made from natural human hair. Major fashion brands, including those featured in Paris and Milan Fashion Weeks, rely on Xuchang's premium wigs. Their product top sells on platforms like Amazon and AliExpress, making made in Xuchang synonymous with innovation and quality. Who would have thought a city best known for Asian battlefield legends now leads in modern beauty? Now let's take a look at Danyang, a small city making a big impact on how we see the world. Did you know half of the world's eyewear lenses come from Danyang, Jiangsu province? With an annual output valued at 12 billion yuan, this city produces over 400 million lenses each year, significantly impacting global vision care. Danyang's optical industry began in the 1960s with basic lens workshops. Today, it is a hub of cutting-edge innovation, crafting ultra-thin lenses and advanced eyewear solutions. Some of the world's top eyewear brands source lenses directly from Danyang. The city even hosts an annual optical fair, attracting buyers and tech developers from across the globe, from Wall Street professionals to students in Southeast Asia. Glasses made in Danyang are helping millions to see clearly around the globe. Wearing glasses or contact lenses, there's a good chance they have started their life in Danyang. Now, before we continue in this video, I would really like to thank you all for watching it. However, at the same time, over 90% of you are not subscribing to this channel, and more than 99% are not yet a member of this channel. It would be highly appreciated if you do so. Moving on to meet Zhecheng, the hidden diamond capital shaking up the jewelry industry. Zhecheng, a small county in Henan province, produces nearly half of the world's lab-grown diamonds, challenging traditional mining giants like the bears. In just a decade, local farmers turned industrial entrepreneurs, now growing diamonds in high-tech labs, creating gems that dazzle boutiques from New York to Paris. Using powerful presses, Zhecheng artisans craft diamonds under extreme heat and pressure. Their creations range from industrial tools to luxury jewelry, symbolize a perfect blend of scientific precision and artistic beauty. The diamonds here are so precise that they are also used in high-tech industries, from aerospace to advanced medical devices. While most think of diamonds as natural treasures, Zhecheng proves that brilliance can be engineered. Now over to Cixi, the city behind many of the gadgets in your kitchen. Next time you press your coffee machine, remember that 60% of the world's small appliances originate from Cixi in Zhejiang province. From humble beginnings as cotton fields, Cixi transformed into a trillion RMB powerhouse manufacturing 3,000 appliances per minute. Today, Cixi integrates cutting-edge AI and voice-activated technology into appliances, redefining home convenience worldwide. Brands like Philips and Panasonic have long partnered with factories here, pushing Cixi's technology into millions of homes, with products ranging from precision coffee makers to smart ovens. This city continuously sets global appliance trends. Have a toaster or hair dryer? It might just have Cixi innovation inside. Let's switch gears to Guzhen, the town that keeps half the world's nights shining bright. Every time global landmarks like Dubai's Burj Khalifa, there's a 60% chance the lightning technology comes from Guzhen in Guangdong province. Known as China's lightning capital, Guzhen produces thousands of innovative lighting fixtures every minute. Since its humble start in the 1980s, Guzhen has grown into a cutting-edge industry cluster, employing advanced materials and AI technologies. The city's lighting products shine in over 130 countries, from luxury hotels in Dubai to public spaces in Europe. Guzhen now hosts one of Asia's largest lighting fairs every year. Its lights illuminate iconic global sites, making Guzhen a hidden star behind world-famous landscapes. Next up is Luyi, a place turning humble sheep tails into luxury beauty tools. The best makeup brushes worldwide likely come from Luyi County in Henan province, which produces 60% of global high-quality brushes. Originating from sheep-tail fibers, Luyi's artisans transformed the brush-making industry into a sophisticated enterprise. Today, Luyi brushes blend traditional craftsmanship with advanced technologies. Some brushes undergo over 20 steps, from careful bristle selection to final polishing, ensuring each one meets professional standards. From makeup artists to astronauts, their brushes are renowned for unparalleled quality and precision. So next time you're blending makeup, remember you're holding a piece of Luyi's craftsmanship. And last but not least, Pingdu, the powerhouse behind most of the world's eyelashes. Pingdu in Shandong province crafts 70% of the world's eyelashes, producing 5,000 pairs per minute. Once simple sewing machine factory, today's advanced labs use 3D printing and magnetic technology to craft lashes that lead global beauty trends. Pingdu's innovative lash designs are adored by beauty enthusiasts from Hollywood to Seoul, setting new standards in cosmetic elegance and technology. Their lash factory now use AI-driven designs to personalize lash styles for different eye shapes, creating a perfect fit for everyone. Beauty vloggers worldwide rave about Pingdu's lashes, calling them the gold standard of the industry. These smaller Chinese cities might not be as famous as Beijing, Shanghai, or Shenzhen, but their global impact is extraordinary. Their specialized industries showcase how small but mighty cities are rewriting the narrative of Made in China. However, while these hidden champion cities shine in their niche industries, they also face notable challenges. Many still rely heavily on traditional manufacturing models with limited brand recognition abroad. Environmental concerns, labor conditions, and the lack of strong consumer branding may hinder their long-term competitiveness. But if the past decades are any indicator, China's small cities have the drive and adaptability to keep evolving. Their next chapter may not be just about making for the world, but leading it. Let's keep watching. That's it for our video today. If you have enjoyed exploring these hidden champions, don't forget to subscribe. Let's continue to uncover more fascinating stories of China together. And don't hesitate to contact us if you want to visit any of these. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video.